What's up, everybody? So today I wanted to just talk about my checklist for preparation for my phalloplasty. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I've packed, and obviously it's a lot of stuff, and these are basically recommended by a lot of different guys that have gone through phalloplasty surgery. I'm just somebody who overthinks and has anxiety, and if I don't have something that I'm supposed to, I kind of freak out. So over the past, like 9 months, I've been saving to get all of these items, and I've spent a good probably like $500 just getting all of it. So yeah, I just wanted to go step by step of all the things that I'm packing, whether or not I use it. I could probably make a video later on just to see what I used and what I didn't use, but for now this is just my checklist of everything that I'm prepping for phalloplasty surgery. So here we go. Bowel prepping, we got the magnesium citrate, fleet enema, stool softener, and laxatives. Medi honey gel. I also got bacitracin zinc ointment and this Terracell, which is an antibacterial skin repair ointment. I bought that off Amazon when I was going through my electrolysis, so that's just something that I had. As you can see, I went a little overboard on tape. I have a bunch of different kinds. We have athletic tape over here, and then we have elastic bandages, and then waterproof. And then I got like just a bunch of different colors depending on the day. I also got these really cool elastic support bandages. They're just like Ace bandages, then just a regular handheld mirror. This is just out of a sewing kit. It's a retractable flexi measurement ruler. This is to measure the length of the phallus over time. It's good to keep track of how much is swollen or how much swelling has gone down. That is something that was recommended by actually the doctor. And of course, some sterile gloves for your caretaker who is going to take care of you and change bandages. When washing in the shower, they definitely recommend using Cetaphil, gentle skin cleanser. At the store, they had a bunch of different Cetaphils, so just make sure to double check and make sure it says cleanser and not anything else. They also recommend unscented lotion, so I went ahead and went with Lubriderm, which is like most popular, especially for like tattoos and stuff. And then I also got some enriched original healing cream. These are adult wipes. You definitely can get baby wipes, but this is something that was recommended to me, especially because you get 240 wipes, and of course a thermometer to keep track of whether or not you have a fever. And here's some petroleum jelly and some cocoa butter. An inflatable donut. This was pretty cheap off Amazon. Sitting is very uncomfortable post phallo, so they definitely recommend something to sit on that is comfy. I know that you can get ones that you just fill up with air, but these ones are definitely made out of memory foam. So I was reading the reviews and people are very, very satisfied with it. So that's just something you don't absolutely have to have, but it helps. These are reusable underpads. Basically you can use them, they're kind of used as like dog pads and stuff, or adults that wet the bed. These ones are reusable, so they're easy to throw in the washer and dryer and just reuse them. This is disposable underwear, and definitely you can rewash these. They're reusable. They're good. I believe some of the reviews said up to a week or so, so it's just nice to get some hospital-like underwear. These are Acrylics bandage rolls. As you can see, I have a huge pack of them. These are used to hold up your phallus post-op and even wrap certain parts of the body area that are healing. It's mostly definitely used to prop up the phallus, since it will have to be at a 95-degree angle. And then some ABD pads. These are to absorb just, all the fluids after surgery. They recommend the 5 by 9 inches, and these are all sterilized. And I got 3 catheter stabilizers, which are called stat locks. These are to keep the catheter in place. If you don't have these, it's very, very painful, is what I'm told. And I also, Amazon recommended when you buy these that you just get a catheter holder. So this is just a band that goes around my leg, and I hold up my catheter through there. Sterilized alcohol prep pads. And then I just bought 3 separate pill organizers, and I labeled them morning, noon, and evening, just to make it more convenient and easier on my caregiver when needing to give me my medications. Then I got a case of 5 by 9 zero form. Then I just got a variety of miscellaneous medications. So here we got Benadryl, ibuprofen PM, regular ibuprofen, Tylenol, Aleve, motion sickness relief, and then regular Mucinex to help relieve chest congestion, Tums, this is L-lysine, cranberry pills, D-mannose, this is just a regular probiotic, helps with digestion, and some vitamin C, and Pre-Leaf. This is something that I just take because it takes the acid out of foods. Then I just got some regular cotton swabs to help with cleaning, and then plastic wrap to wrap your leg, your arm, so that you can wrap it to take a shower and to make sure you don't get any moisture on your wounds. They also suggested getting maxi pads, especially to wear the first week or so. This helps just to keep the blood and not ruin any of your pants or your underwear, and just to catch all the blood. Chapstick, men's compression socks, a rechargeable toothbrush, bendy straws, cups with built-in straws. I also bought a heating pad, and this one's really cool because you turn on the setting and it goes off automatically after 2 hours, and it has, like 3 different settings: high, medium, low, and an eye mask, because you're probably going to be sleeping all hours of the day when you're recovering. Aromatherapy body wash. There's comfort, stress relief, sleep, and happiness. And then some essential oils. So as you can see, I got a lot of stuff that I'm bringing. So yeah, pretty much, like I said, not all of these are required for Phallo, but I've read a lot of blogs and online and just watched a lot of people's videos, and some of it's what they recommended, some of it is my personal choice. So don't know if I'm going to use it all, but it's good to have just in case. 20 days till surgery. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.